For this replacement, you will need the following tools: Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, and zip ties. Before starting, be sure the unit is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the mantle away from the wall. Remove the electric insert from the mantle by loosening the screws that fix the metal brackets to the insert and mantle. Remove the insert and set down carefully, taking care not to scratch existing surfaces. Unscrew the screws as shown, then remove the back panel of the insert. Then remove the top panel by removing 2 screws in each top side of the unit. Take care not to pull or damage any attached wires. Using a wire cutter, cut the zip ties as shown and remove the zip ties. Locate the main circuit board. Carefully pull out all of the connectors on the board, noting the locations they've been removed from. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws attaching the circuit board to the insert and remove the board. The mounting posts that hold the circuit board to the insert will need to be reused. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, hold the posts with one hand and remove them as shown. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, reinstall the mounting post into the replacement circuit board. Then mount the circuit board back into the insert. Reconnect the wires removed in the earlier steps to the new board. Use zip ties to secure the wire onto the unit as shown. Trim off any excess. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, reattach the top panel using the 2 screws on each side of the unit. Then reinstall the back panel as shown. Plug in the electric fireplace, turn the unit on, and test the functions to make sure everything is working properly.